These little peanuts look simple, but before they become the crunchy snack we know, they go through an incredible journey. From raw peanuts arriving by truck to cleaning, roasting, seasoning, and packaging, every stage has a purpose. And today, we're going inside a modern peanut factory to see the entire process.
The journey begins when large loads of raw peanuts arrive at the factory.
At this point, the peanuts look very different from the clean snack sitting on a supermarket shelf.
They can arrive with dirt, small stones, leaves, and other unwanted material.
The peanuts enter the first cleaning stage, where machines begin removing unwanted material. Screens help separate the peanuts from smaller unwanted particles. Air also helps carry away lighter pieces that don't belong in the final product. Not every peanut is exactly the same, so the next step is sorting. Some peanuts may be damaged, too small, or simply not suitable for the final snack.
The unwanted ones are removed while the better peanuts continue forward.
If the peanuts arrive with their shells, those shells now have to come off.
The machine carefully breaks apart the outer shell and separates it from the peanut inside.
The hard shells go one way, while the edible peanut kernels continue forward. And now we're finally seeing the part that will become our roasted snack.
But before roasting, the peanuts receive another careful cleaning.
This extra step helps remove small pieces that may still be mixed with the peanuts. Now the peanuts are clean, sorted, and ready for the biggest transformation of all.
They're about to be roasted.
This is where the raw peanuts begin to change. As controlled heat surrounds them, their color slowly becomes darker.
The pale peanuts are turning golden brown.
And something else is changing too. Their familiar roasted aroma and flavor are developing.
The factory carefully controls the roasting, so the peanuts develop the right color and taste. And there they are. The raw peanuts have become golden roasted peanuts.
So the peanuts are cooled down before the next stage, but they're still too warm to package.
Now they're cool, roasted, and ready for flavor.
Now comes the stage that gives these peanuts their final taste. Fine seasoning is added while the peanuts gently tumble together.
As they move, the seasoning spreads across the peanuts. And now the simple peanut has become a ready-to-eat snack.
But how do thousands of roasted peanuts become thousands of individual snack packs? The peanuts now move toward the packaging line.
The machine divides the peanuts into individual portions for each packet.
One portion drops into each package.
In just seconds, the loose peanuts begin to look like the finished product we see in stores.
Each packet is then sealed to protect the snack inside.
And the speed is impressive. One packet after another moves through the line.
Important product information is printed onto the finished packages.
They check that the packages look right and are properly sealed.
Anything that doesn't meet the required standard can be removed. The approved packets are now ready to be packed into larger boxes. Workers and machines place the individual packets into shipping boxes. The boxes are sealed and prepared for their journey outside the factory. Inside the warehouse, finished products wait for transportation.
Soon, these boxes will leave the factory and begin their journey to stores.
The finished boxes are loaded onto delivery trucks.
And the factory journey comes to an reorganization.
But the snack's journey isn't over yet.
After traveling from the factory, the finished packets finally reach the store.
And after everything the peanuts have been through, they are finally ready to eat.
It's easy to see only the final snack. But now you know what happened behind the scenes.
Shipment looks good. Match the order number. Okay, I'll take them to aisle 5.
They were cleaned. Sorted and, when necessary, separated from their shells. Then roasted, cooled, and seasoned.
After that, they were measured and sealed into snack packs. And finally, the finished snacks were boxed and sent toward stores. So from a simple raw peanut to a finished crunchy snack, an entire production journey happens behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this factory journey, subscribe to Industrial Vision, because every factory has a story, and we'll see you inside the next one.